Hi, my name is Adrian Schaefer. We are in a beach in Barcelona and we are here to pick up some plastic pits out of the beach, and we want to see what is in there. Follow us please. Okay, after we have picked up the materials, it took us about 20 minutes. We pick up different materials that actually represent the destruction of planet Earth. People, we don't have time. The 8th of October is the beginning of the deadline for trying to recover planet Earth. If we don't do this now, we will lose the Earth. So it's time for you to take notice of the materials are damaging and contaminating our environment. So we start here with polypropylene. Polypropylene is a plastic transparent that it holds for 100 years, and as you see it crunch. That it's polypropylene. And animals like turtles and fish eat this thinking that it's a jellyfish. So this plastic cannot end up on the seas. The same problem we have with polyethylene. Polyethylene is also transparent. It looks like a jellyfish on the water. Fish and turtles will eat it and they will get killed. And if we damage the food chain of fish, we will also die sooner or later, because we have to eat fish to survive on this planet. So now, then we have aluminium. Aluminium is full contaminant of the central nervous system. It destroys your blood, it poisons your blood, and it damages your muscles and your bone structure. Cork. Cork is no contaminant, but you should not leave it on the beach. It's recyclable. Then we have wipes and tampons. Girls, if you're in the water closet, don't throw this on the water closet on the hotel. It land up on the seas, and we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. This material is fully contaminant. It's made of cotton and polyester. Then we have here a plastic wrap made of paper and polyester from one of the clubs of the beach, Pasha. We don't blame them, but we blame people who go to concerts and just trash everything. People, if you get drunk on the concerts, just keep one bottle in your hand, drink it, and drop it on the rubbish bin. Don't throw rubbish all over. We have plastic tags also made of different materials. This is also polypropylene and a low density polyethylene. These are tags from fruits. Here I have a tag of a hotel, so we know that all these or many of these products are coming from hotels. This is the Derby Hotel, maybe in Barcelona. Here we have from tags, we have here tags from fruits. Then we have all sort of plastic, high density and low density polyethylene. We have writing pens, a leg of a table, key rings, picks for clothing, some glasses, contact lenses, plastic chocolate wrapping. Then we have here candies. People, here every corporation is guilty. First, the corporations, you have to do completely biodegradable plastic. Plastics have to self-destroy, because we cannot avoid that the kids through the rubbish, or we should avoid it, but we have to teach them. So parents have to teach the kids, don't throw candy papers. This is holes. This is gummy version from Germany. We have also candies from Spain, bubble gum from US, also all sort of candies. It doesn't matter which companies are. There are Spanish companies, American companies, German companies, French companies, companies all over the world who produce candies. And we have to talk to all candy producers worldwide. All your packaging must be biodegradable. It must self-destruct with water and the sun. We cannot keep doing this. Then we have here plastic caps. Plastic caps will stay on the environment for about 200-300 million years. They're made of polyethylene and polypropylene as well, nylon. And these are coming from the bottles that you drink. So we have to make an international ban on bottles and plastic caps. Look at all this. We pick up all this in 20 minutes. All this land up inside of albatross, fish, turtles, any sort of... Now we have isolation materials. This is called styrofoam. Styrofoam, it will last on the environment 400 million years. We have to avoid to use these kind of things. Foams. These are isolation foams using for cushioning and sitting chairs and any type of isolations, even dry walls at home. So you see, low density foams, even for surfboards, are here. So everybody is guilty in terms of material and construction of stuff. Then we move on. We have to here call the attention, the worldwide attention to smokers. Each of these cigarettes contains 4,000 toxic substances, each of them. And you are throwing them on the streets. They land up on the canals and they land up on the seas. And some of the water that you see there, we will drink later because we desalinate the water and we drink this. So your pollutants, 4,000 toxics, are land up on the water that you drink. Now we have again plastic candies. These are lollipops from your kids, moms and dads. You have to call the attention, teach your children to pick up the rubbish and bring it home. Then here we have a massive disaster. These are ear plugs to clean up your ears. People who are in the hotels are throwing this on the water cloak and it's making an environmental disaster worldwide. This beach here is not an exception. It's happening all over the planet. These plastic things to clean up your ears. We have one sample which is complete. Let's see if I found it. Here we have one we have picked up. You see that? That it's this. So there is no way to escape. These are all of them, the things that you use to clean up your ears. People, don't throw this on the water. Keep it on the rubbish bin. Look how many. We have here probably 100,000 around the whole beach. It's full of it. And this sample is happening all over the world. We have to stop it right away. You have to wake up. People, we cannot keep on destroying the planet at this pace. Now we have plastic straws from your drinks all over the beach. This sample repeats all over. Plastic straws are asphyxiating and killing turtle and fish on the whole planet. Then we have this. These are very pollutant. These are plastic balloons. When they deteriorate, they throw on the environment different type of esphenols. It damages and contaminates your blood. Okay, we are pretty much done with all the materials we have analyzed. So we want to call the attention of the people with the following things to avoid destroying the environment. Buy less meat. The jungle is being cut down to grow soja bones for the cows. Buy less milk, cheese and butter. Buy locally sourced seasonal food and throw less of it away. Don't throw things away. Put it on your rubbish bin. Recycle. Drive electric cars, scooters and walk or cycle at home. Holland, I give you applause to the people of Holland. Everybody should be cycling around the world. Teach your kids to be responsible for your rubbish. Don't let any waste at the beach. Use cotton bags and don't ask at the supermarket for plastic bags. We have to get rid of plastic bags because they land up on the seas and the rivers. Don't use plastic bags. We need an international ban on plastic bags. Use wash line instead of tumble dryer. This is for saving energy. Isolate homes and buildings well. Isolation materials should be kept at home. demand low carbon in every consumer product. You see all the consumer products are here, we're surrounded, they should be low carbon. Do not throw rubbish in the seas or in the rivers around the world. Girls, don't throw tampons on the waters. Guys, don't throw condoms on the water clothes. And don't throw also earplugs, cleaning devices on the water clothes. Be human, think twice, and don't be an idiot. Now we're gonna make a final call. The 8th of October, for 2 days, was called by the international community as a deadline for the world. In 2030, we have to be in 1.5 degree increase centigrade around the world. If we reach the 2030 and the increase of the temperature will hit the 2 degrees or 3 degrees, we will have wars, social explosions, people will be killing each other for food. So we don't want this to happen, so everybody have to start now recycling materials, be conscious about your waste. We have to save the environment. You are guilty, each of you in each home. Every single human on earth is guilty of the pollution of the planet Earth. So you please stop what you're doing, be conscious about what you're doing, because here we have shown you what you are doing. Each of us is guilty, and I am including me on this group because I consume milk and I have to stop this, and we have to stop consuming bottles all around the planet. Thank you very much. Bye.